Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about wallpaper changes. So what I wanted to do is have the wallpaper change at a specific time. So in the morning at 7 a.m. I want a bright wallpaper like this, and then at the evening at 7 p.m. I want something a bit more subdued, as I will show you a bit later. But I've actually looked around for programs on that work with Hyprland, and I couldn't find anything. They have timers here, but it doesn't change the wallpaper at a specific time. So yeah, I had to create a little script to do that. So let's check the script out. This VM is just so slow. I don't understand it. Right, so let's check the scripts. Wallpaper changer. Right, so here it is. So it's a very basic little script. There's two variables and then a simple if statement. So two variables, day wallpaper, and then the path to that picture, pink sky with the one that's on the background now, and then the night wallpaper, the path, that's light of dawn JPEG. Right, and then this one is just current hour. It gets the system time, and yeah, and then it drops into the if statement. So it says if current time is bigger than 7 a.m. but smaller than and 7 p.m. you run this command. So this command is part of the Hyprpaper. So I'm using Hyprpaper as my wallpaper manager. So it's hyperctl, Hyprpaper, wallpaper, and then virtual one is the screen. Yours will be probably like display one or something, and then it grabs that variable there, day wallpaper, with the path in it, and it changes it to that picture. Else, if that's not satisfied, it will just drop into the else and use the alternative picture, which will be, if it's after 7 p.m. nighttime, before 7 a.m. it will use this picture. So that's the if statement. So I did create a cron job for this because it needs to check the time to run the script at that specific time, but it just didn't want to work. So I don't know why it didn't want to work. The command in the cron job was correct. All the paths was correct. Doesn't want to work. So I had to create a user service, which is not a bit more involved, but it's not that crazy difficult. Let me just open my file and see what I did. Open that, and then you have to create a service in systemd and then a timer file that will do that for you. So is this gonna run now with Kate or what? Let's go, Kate. Let's put that there. Oh, let's just open my terminal. We can close this. Right, so what you have to do is create the service first. So let me just copy that, paste it. Yeah, let's go, it's fine. So sudo nano, and then in the config.config, this will be a hidden folder. That's all your configuration, user configuration files, it's in there, and then systemd user, and then you can call this anything you like. This is the file you're creating, wallpaper changer .service. So this is the service that you're creating. Right, so if you open it, there should be nothing in there because it's a new service, but I've got all this in there, so you just have to put this in. Right, so the service is exec start, so it will basically run this. There's the path, and there's the wallpaper changes script. So this is what this service will run. So if you start your PC, this service will be running in the background, and it will be running the script. Right, so there's the script. Let's just open another terminal, and then the timer, the timer file. Right, there's the timer file. So again, it just gets the system time with this command on calendar. Say 7 o'clock AM, 7 o'clock PM. Persistent true, very important. And that's it. That's the timer for this. There is the service running the script, and here's the timer. So this is all you need, these two files, and you can just set them and forget them. Right, so let me think now. I'm blue screening. Right, so I'm just going to change the... Let's open the script. I'm just going to change the wallpaper just to show you how it would look like if it changes. I'm not going to play around with the time now just to set it. So this is the command to change the wallpaper in the script. So it's basically this one. So you just put a path in there as well. Right, let's use this one. We can go out, paste that in. So HyperCTL, Hyperpaper, Wallpaper, display it on virtual one, which is the screen. And then the path to the wallpaper, light of dawn JPEG. Okay, let's see if it works. Yes! Let's close everything. What did I... Okay, yeah, that's it. So it's a bit darker for the nighttime. Perfect. So I'll leave all the scripts and stuff in the description or on my blog for you to copy. So this is the easiest way. You don't even have to install an extra program. So Hyperpaper is the only program that you need to do this. And oh yeah, I forgot, you have to actually run the services. Stupid of me to forget that. Otherwise this won't work. Or you can just restart your PC. But to show you how to run all the services, where's my goddamn file now? Okay, right. It should just run in Kate. Let's just start a service first. Right, let's put that in. So systemctl -- user daemon reload. So we'll just start a service. And then you start a timer. Obviously. Let's just get out of there. Paste that in. Right, so systemctl -- user enable wallpaper changer .timer. Okay, so I just changed back to my previous wallpaper. This is Black Arch. So yeah, that's how you change your wallpaper at a specific time. It's so simple and it works like a charm. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Good.